So hello guys, welcome back to this new session of cloud pen testing basics, and in today's session we are going to discuss the as organizations continue migrating their infrastructure and application to the cloud, and the cloud security has become one of the most crucial areas for ethical hackers and pen testers too. So today's focus is on just basic of cloud pen testing, and it is an essential skill for CEH certified professionals, and it requires a deep understanding of cloud architecture and shared responsibility models and provider specific constraints. So what exactly is cloud pen testing? So simply put, it's the process of testing cloud-based systems and such as applications on virtual machines, storage APIs and misconfigurations to uncover vulnerabilities and weaknesses that could be exploited by attackers. And this could involve scanning open ports on cloud hosted servers, analyzing insecure cloud storage permissions, testing cloud APIs for injection flaws, or exploiting misconfigured identity and access management IAM policies. But there's a catch. A cloud environment introduces a shared responsibility model, which means that security is a joint effort between the cloud service provider like AWS, Azure, and GCP for the and the customer. For example, in IaaS, the provider secures the physical servers and networking, while you must secure the operating system and application and data. In AWS, you are mostly responsible for proper usage and access control and the data handling, but you can't pen test the underlying platforms. This makes cloud pen testing a bit tricky. So you must always get a permission and understand the scope of what you are allowed to test, and unauthorized testing can result in account suspension or even legal consequences. Like ethical cloud pen testers need to be familiar with key specific vulnerabilities, such as as we have discussed in the lecture of our module 7 of securing softwares and design. We have seen there are some misconfigured S3 buckets and Azure blob storage that is leading to a public data exposure. So that can be familiar with here in the category of ethical cloud pen testers that has to be needed here to check some key cloud specific vulnerabilities. The next thing that was the insecure APIs endpoint that is allowing the attackers to manipulate the cloud services. The next thing that is the privilege escalation through weak IAM policies or exclusive permissions. Lack of network segmentation in virtual private cloud VPC setups. Tools like ScoutSuite, PowerLayer, or CloudSploit helps to automate security posture assessment across cloud platforms. Additionally, classic pen testing tools like Nmap, Brooksuite, and Metasploit can still be used for in-scope targets like cloud-hosted web applications or VMware. One of the most important aspects of cloud pen testing is reconnaissance and enumeration. You may be gathering information about DNS records, pointing to cloud providers, searching for misconfigured subdomains, or fingerprinting public IPs that reveal cloud-hosted assets. Once you map out the environment, you move to vulnerability scanning, exploitations within the scope, and post-exploitation, just like traditional pen testers, but always respecting cloud boundaries and provider policies. In conclusion, you can say cloud pen testing blends traditional offensive security skills with cloud native awareness. It requires understanding of cloud architecture and respecting the provider rules, along with identifying some cloud specific risks. If you are aiming to be red teamer, SOC analyst, or cloud security specialist, mastering this could be pen testing fundamentals will give you a major edge. And always remember, in the cloud, a single misconfiguration can expose the entire infrastructure. So you have to make sure about it, so there's no any misconfiguration or any problems. So you can check the key summary you can, or key concepts on the screen. You just take the snapshot or note this on any your notes, you have made it out or not. You have to just check that you are noting all the things properly day to day. And I hope so you understand these cloud pen test concepts. So that's it for today's session, and till then, take care and bye bye.